Hey guys, Tony here. I have been getting a lot of questions on SOS Limited and what I think of the stock. And personally, I think it's not going to rise with Bitcoin. I mean, you only got a 5% increase today from that jump on what Bitcoin saw. I mean, relative, yeah, like a 5% increase. I don't like SOS Limited. You know, they're a Chinese company. I think after the central bank of China actually is banning the transactions of crypto, I think SOS is, I don't want to say die, but my price target for SOS is probably 140. And I actually did the TA. I'll be releasing that a little bit later. But I think overall, I think SOS is going to keep dropping. I don't think it's going to survive. Especially like I said, I think it's mostly based off of the China ban and what's going on with the Chinese news. And overall, SOS is not even. I cannot. I don't believe in the company. I mean, look at this. This is a disgusting chart from 3 years, and it's had no major jumps on every single jump from Bitcoin. It had a jump back here at $11, but that's nothing. That's absolutely nothing. And I think SOS Limited is a dying company. I don't think it's going to recover. I would never invest in SOS strictly because look at this ugly chart. It's just been a straight shot down for the last 4 years or so. 4 or 5 years. It's not good, man. SOS Limited does not have any good news coming out. Like the whole China thing, I think SOS is gonna, like I said, my next price target for SOS is 140. It's gonna be right here. I think SOS is gonna drop another dollar or so in the next, I don't know how long, but I don't think it's gonna recover. You might see jumps like this, maybe. I would never put my money in SOS, and I think, like I said, it's going down to $1.40. I already did the TA. I'll probably reset a little bit later. It's been in a consistent downtrend ever since September 10th, and I think it's going to keep holding, right? I think it's going to stay. Since early September, and I think you are seeing tops of SOS here at 223. I don't think it's going to recover, and I think it's headed back down to $2. And then more importantly, I think it's going down to like $1.40 in the longer period of time. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.